So this is what happens in dichotomy of thoughts, feeling and expression. अंतर्मन में संघर्ष और फिर भी मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा, यही जीवन का श्रेष्ठ अभिनय है. And when you keep on acting day in and day out, when we are in a society, we have to keep on acting what we are not. We have to show off our face, which is not our real face. Then it is very stressful. Continuously doing that is very stressful. त्यामुळे ऑफिस अंतान याना पडे, लग्न अंतान याना पडे, खंयचे गॅदरिंग अंतान याना पडे, which we don't want to go. It is stressful. But when we go to खंय आमी सेवा सप्ताह वच गेली, सन्निकर्शा वच गेली, चित्रापूर मठांत वच गेली, रथोत्सवा वच गेली, थंय वच गेल्यार आमकां स्ट्रेस जायना because all the people that gather there are likable and we like them and we know that they like us. And there is a similar thoughts and similar vibrations going on. And it's all similar thinking people, if they come together, then it is not stressful. But if you have to go in a gathering where people are of diverse thinking and personalities, then you have to show off what you are not. And when you try to show off what you are not, it is stressful. So these are the chemical reactions that happen in the brain and that effect on the body. There are a lot of hormones that get secreted. I will not go into the medical part of it. So, but in short, there are adrenaline, ACTH, corticosteroids that get secreted, and that can raise your blood pressure and blood sugar. And कल इफेक्ट बॉडीचेर जाता त्या तुमकां सगळ्यांक आतां सांगता. What are the symptoms of stress? एक तर बॉडी रिॲक्ट्स, फिजिकल रिस्पॉन्स, ब्रीदिंग फास्ट जावच्या सुरू जाता, हात पांयान थरथर येवच्या सुरू जाता. मला मस्त स्ट्रेस जाला रे, द स्ट्रेस लेवल गोज too high and it crosses the optimum performance level, these things happen. Muscles tense, headache, then sweating, हात पाय थंड जाता ती, हूम सुटता, change in appetite, गळ सुकता. Even if I have to give a talk, then I have to give a उदका बाटली लागीं दवरून घेवंका, नाल्यार ताळ सुकता. It is not tension म्हूण न्हय तें, but it is a physical reaction to the stress that I am going to face. Change in appetite. परीक्षे वेळार भूक मरता आमगेली. Psychological or emotional response, low concentration. Because of too many thoughts coming into our mind, we cannot focus on one thought. Forgetfulness, we our or absent-mindedness. It is opposite of mindfulness. Rajgopal Bhatt Maman ektagal hantu lecture and sangile ki we have to be mindful of what we are doing. We have to focus on the things that we are doing. Kale randap करत असलारी ना कले बरेत असलारी नाला कले कोणाक लागी कले कोणाक ऐकत असलारी. You listen to that person with all your faculties. कान डोळे सगळे उघड दवरून ऐकया ती कले काम करत असलारी. You focus your all energy in that one action. If you do that, then you tend to forget. Then absent mindedness. त्याजमी आम्ही आतकले पण एक फोन आम्ही खंय पण दवरता ती. But if we don't remember, if we don't focus our attention on what we are doing, then after some time we forget where I have kept my phone. That is because of absent mindedness, which is opposite of mindfulness. Irritation and short temper. If we come across people who are irritated and short tempered and getting angry too often, you don't get angry on him. You pity him because he is under a lot of stress. Once you realize that he is under a lot of stress, then instead of getting angry with him, you will want to help him. Psychological and emotional response, nervousness and clumsiness, depression and silence, emotional outbursts and crying, behavior response. Our behavior changes if we are under stress. नींद पड़ना सम. There are two types of insomnia. एक early night insomnia, एक राती न्हीद पडना, आणि अनेक insomnia म्हणारी न्हिदलेलं असताना वगी 2 घंटारी 3 घंटारी जाग जाता. There are two types of sleeplessness, insomnia. If it is early morning insomnia, then the diagnosis is different. If you cannot get into the sleep, then the diagnosis is different. Increased drinking, smoking and eating. परीक्षे वेळार आयदर भूक मरता नाल्यार थोडे जाण मस्त खाता खावन खावन वेट वाडता. And increase drinking and smoking. That is one of the behavioral response. And absenteeism. Signs of stress. Symptoms signs symptoms is what patient will complain, and signs is what doctor will examine and find out. Pulse rate वाढता. Pulse rate मस्त वाढला थार ध्यान धड धड सुरू जाता. If people when they complain of heart ध्यान धड धड म्हणून, every time it is not heart disease. Very often it is the pulse that goes up because of the underlying stress. Respiration, breathing fast जाता. Without knowing, we are not aware of it, that respiration becomes faster. Usually, that respiration rate is about 18 per minute. Dalari, when we are under stress, apop amgel shwas घेऊनचे speed वाढता. If doctor is watchful, then he can find out that person is under stress. त्यामुळे ते ऑनलाईन तुम्ही कॅन वक्त घेतात की त्यावेळी you will not be able to get diagnosis properly, because meeting a doctor makes a lot of difference. When he examines you, he not only examines by the stethoscope, but he will take the proper history, and then he will watch you how you behave in his clinic, and that gives him the diagnosis. श्वास दौरान घेत असं, the way you sit, that also gives away your stress feeling. तुमच्या अर्णब गोस्वामी आणि राहुल गांधी इंटरव्यू पळयल्लो असतो, हाऊ राहुल गांधी वॉज अंडर स्ट्रेस एंड ही वॉज सिटिंग ऑन द एज ऑफ द चेअर, ऑलमोस्ट अश बशिल्लो, आणि अर्णब गोस्वामी वॉज रिलॅक्स. when at Modi can interview दिता, just watch his body language, he is so relaxed because he is not under stress. At Rahul Gandhi interview to, if you can go on the YouTube and watch that interview again, you will be able to know how the person behaves under stress. His breathing was also not normal. Pulse, of course, we could not examine, but I'm sure that he must be having a high heart rate at that time. Blood pressure also goes up. Blood sugar also goes up. These are all responses to the stress of a danger. मारी आता मागची काळान तू मनुष्याक डेंजर आयल की ब्लड प्रेशर ब्लड शुगर वाढताले, that was to make him ready to fight, flight or fright. Signs of stress: adrenaline and steroids, these are the hormones that go up in the blood. Sharpening of all senses for fight or flight response. Low tension in bowel and bladder sphincters, fright response. मारी मस्त चरड मस्त भिल्लारी चड्ड्यान मुतून घालता ती. That is because of the fright response. Now we have come to the proper how to manage the stress. Actually, it is simple. Sango agdi easy. पळयाती. Become aware of your stressors. Kalkal mit amka stress jata. Kona mit stress jata. If you know the people and the things and the incidences that gives you stress, you can get rid of the stressors. Whatever is manageable, you manage the stressors. Here, to manage the manageable stressor, you have to again repeat that prayer which I told you. Serenity prayer. Give me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, and give me courage to things that I can change, and give me wisdom to know the difference. Be aware of your symptoms, self-awareness, and manage the symptoms. These are the 4 steps to manage the stress. There is an exercise. आता वेळ नातील मी ती हो exercise तुम्ही मागीर कराती है lecture जायना पुढे. Sit quiet for 5 minutes and think of what are all the things that are giving you the stress. And then you decide what are the stressors that you can manage and what are the stressors that you cannot manage. Forget about non-manageable stressors and manage the manageable stressors. Serenity prayer will come in handy at that time. Manage the manageable stressors. Frame every so-called disaster with the words, in 5 years will this matter? मॅनेज द सिम्टम्स. डायटा बद्दल लेक्चर जाल्ल्या म्हणाल सुभाष, सो आय विल नॉट गो इन टू दॅट, बट a few tips I will give you. एक normal people who are not suffering from diabetes or blood pressure or kidney disease, तांच खातीर 50% carbohydrate, 35% protein, 15% fat. That should be the general combination for normal people suffering not from any disease. Then calcium supplement at our age above 60. Most of us are 60 plus or minus. So we need at least 500 milligram of calcium carbonate दिवसा एक गोळी. Then vitamin B12 500 microgram दिवसा एक गोळी. आणि vitamin D वत्तान भोंवचें, and it's okay, but for that you have to walk in the sunlight with bare skin. मारी वयर कले घाण घेवन नाल्यार अशी वयर एक बनियन तो एक सांज चड्डी घालून वतां फिरका for 20 minutes. It is not practical. Everybody cannot get exposed to the sunlight. So it is ideal that one takes vitamin D 60,000 units एक tablet that you take once in a month. This is a maintenance dose. It is advised that you get your vitamin D levels checked, and if the vitamin D levels are less than normal, then you have to add that vitamin D. That the dose is different. You can you get your vitamin D levels checked, vitamin B12 levels checked, and then contact me on my personal phone. I will give you the advice. Rest. At least 8 hours sleep is necessary. जर का नींद खळली तरी the stress response happens in the body. Counseling and psychotherapy. Many times the stressors are unmanageable and then we don't know what to do. That time if you see the counselor, he will help you manage that. And that is emotional discharge. आमगेल त्रास असेल तो कोणाक कोणी सांगका म्हूण दिसता, but all the people are not we don't know whom to talk to, because for other people our troubles is their story. आमकां कल त्रास जाता आमी सांगल्यार तांकां ती एक स्टोरी जाता. Gossip is a topic of gossip, so we don't know whom to talk to. It is better to talk to the counselor. He will give a proper advice by giving medicines also. Sometimes medicines are necessary. It is like a पाय फ्रॅक्चर जाल्यार थोडे दिसा खातीर मेडिसीन थोडे दिसा खातीर क्रचेस आमी वापरता. So these medicines are like crutches for few days until your mind heals. Diet and counseling. It is said कि उपवास करने से तन हल्का होता है और बकवास करने से मन हल्का होता है. Manage the symptoms. Physical exercise. सुरेशाने physical exercise सांगलाय, but I don't know, I was not present at that lecture, but I will give tips that are maybe additional to his lecture. One is that at our age, we should do exercises that are non-weight bearable. Either swimming, if swimming is not possible, then cycling. If cycling is not possible, then simple walking with proper walking shoes, which will need not give any pressure on our joints, knee joints especially, and back joints, spine joints. And slight weight lifting, so then Korea about 5 kg, 10 kg, not more, just to build up the mass of your muscle. Muscle mass जर का चिक्या डेव्हलप झालाय तरी it will help burn out the sugar and burn out the toxins of the body. Physical relaxation. नींद चांगली, न्हिदेक चांगला वेळ, आणि शिवाय योगा, प्राणायाम. आमगेल मठाच्या वेबसायटाचेर गेल्यार तुमकां स्वाम्यांनी शिकयलेले प्राणायाम मेळटले. प्राणायाम आमकां स्वामीन 5 नमुने शिकयल्यात. एक तर भस्त्रिका, कुंभक. नांव तुम लक्षांत दवर, तुम मठाच्या वेबसायटार गेल्यार मेळटले ते. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, मागीर कपालभाती, भस्त्रिका, कुंभक, मागीर कपालभाती, रेचक आणि अनुलोम विलोम. हे 5 शिकयलेले आसा ती. It is simple. It will take about 20 minutes, but it will help reduce the stress. After about 15-20 days, you will come to know that your stress level has come down, because it is a breathing exercise. Pranayam is a breathing exercise, आणि तुमको तसं की ते stress level वाढना पडे, the breathing becomes irregular, आणि it becomes different. The different kind of breathing gives you more stress. श्वास घेऊन तुमका तुमकाच कळतले की आता मी श्वास हळूहळू घेतच. Once you start becoming aware of your breathing, you will know. Nishpanda Bhav and Vipassana Anapana. We will do this exercise after this lecture is over. It will take about 5 minutes. Yogasanas. Learn yogasanas under the direct observation of a guru or a teacher. Karan, there are some principles of yogasanas. One is you have to do is according to capacity. Second is normal breathing. And third is differential relaxation. Only the muscles that are used to go into that asana should be used, and other muscles should be relaxed. And if it is not done under observation, the whole body becomes stiff. Temiti, without proper guidance, don't learn it on the YouTube or खंयच्या असल्या हाजेर वचून शिकू नका ती. You go to the proper teacher and learn. Laughter exercise. तुमके नाही हांगा आमगेल्या जॉगर्स पार्क नाही, जॉगर्स पार्क नाही खंय ते दुभाशी ग्राउंडार वच गेल्यार थंय लाफ्टर एक्सरसाइज लोक येवन सांगाती रबून हसताले, मस्त हसताली, मस्त नमुन्याचे हास्य. आणि यू नो, इफ you laugh a lot, even without reason, it will relax your muscles and it will de-stress you. वतून पळयात एक फंते. Music. If you listen to music, that will distress you. If you sing, then also it will distress you. It's good that our group is having this music programs every day. Naire Subhash? Yeah.
Yes.
You sing. Maybe if we sing, maybe if I sing, probably other people will get stressed. But that is their problem. It's not my problem. Chant Om. Either live program we could have learned to chant Om. आम्ही कारला आम्ही वतात ती सेवा सप्ताक त्या वेळार सकाळीचे आमगेली एक्सरसाइज आसता ती आफ्टर दॅट सुप्रभात त्या वेळार आमी ते ओम चॅन्ट करताली. अँड वेन इट इज इन ए क्लोज्ड रूम अँड क्लोज मठान तूं त्या वेळार ते ओम म्हणना पुढे इट्स अ टेक्निक हाऊ टू से ओम. इट्स नॉट जस्ट सेइंग ओम 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 अशें नाही. ओम इट्स अ टाइम असता किंवा इफ द म्हणूक समजा 5 सेकंद लागल्यार ओ म्हणूक 10 सेकंद, म्हणूक 20 सेकंद, 5, 10, 20 अशी ह्या प्रोपोर्शनान जर का केलें तर ते शेवट तुम्ही म्हणटात पळय त्या वेळार द पिच्युटरी ग्लँड विच इज एट द बेस ऑफ द ब्रेन दॅट गेट स्टिम्युलेटेड. आणि ताच मिती दॅट इज द पिच्युटरी ग्लँड इज द बाप, सगळ्यांक बाप म्हणटात पळय अशी. इट्स द बॉस ऑफ ऑल द एंडोक्रायन्स. आणि दॅट ते पिच्युटरी हॉर्मोन केन ते ब्लडांत येता त्या वेळार इट कंट्रोल्स ऑल अदर ऑर्गन्स अँड ऑल अदर हॉर्मोन्स, इवन हाजे इन्शुलीन और एड्रेनालिन और स्टिरॉइड, ते सगळे हॉर्मोन ते कंट्रोल करता. अँड इट वर्क्स ऑप्टिममली. फिजिकल रिलॅक्सेशन, माइंड रिलॅक्सेशन. So we will start with physical relaxation. Are you all ready? So ideally this should be done in a lying down position. मग ते शवासन करतात पळय तशी. But now हांग न्हीद दोन दाखोवचे शक्य ना. I will just describe. If you can sit in your most comfortable position in your chair, just sit in the most comfortable position. Just see that you are not uncomfortable in any of the joints. Just focus on your feet, focus on your back, focus on your shoulders, hands, everything, and just see that you are not uncomfortable anywhere. Many times we are uncomfortable, but we are not aware of it. If it is in a lying down position, it is best. Then you can go into shavasana. But now we are doing it shortcut Marianchi. Close your eyes. Focus on your feet and say, I am relaxing my feet. Focus on your ankle joints and say, I am relaxing my ankles. Focus on your lower legs and knee joints and say, Manantul Manantu, I am relaxing my knees. Focus on your thighs and say in your mind that I am relaxing my thighs. And focus on your back, lower back, and say I am relaxing my back. Then focus on your upper back and say in your mind that I am relaxing my upper back. Then focus on your shoulders and say to yourself that I am relaxing my shoulders. Then focus on your upper arms and say I am relaxing my upper arms. Then say I am relaxing my elbows. Then say I am relaxing my forearms. Then say I am relaxing my wrists. Then focus on your hands and finger joints and say I am relaxing my palm and fingers. Sit like this for about 1 minute because we have short of time. After that, you can open your eyes but don't move because then we will be going into the mind relaxation exercise. After 1 minute, open your eyes. Now you can open your eyes, but don't move. Next step is mind relaxation. Once your body is relaxed, how do you relax your mind? Observe your thoughts. For 2 minutes, just observe the thoughts that come to your mind as a third person. You can open your eyes. But observe the thoughts that come to your mind as a third person. For example, Subhash will observe his thoughts as a third person and saying to himself that, oh, now Subhash is thinking about some jhagda that happened yesterday. Oh, now Subhash is thinking about his next assignment. Observe your thoughts without reacting to those thoughts. It is easier not to react to your thoughts only if you observe your thoughts as a third person, as if it is not your thoughts, it is somebody else's thoughts. Now we go to the next step. After observing your thoughts, this is the most difficult part. Observe your breathe. It is most difficult. It is easiest to do for a 2, 3, or 4 breaths, but longer than that, it is very difficult. You are still in a continuously relaxed physical position, physical relaxation, and you have observed your thoughts. Now you have to observe your breathe. Just watch your or just feel your breathe when you inhale. When you inhale, you can feel that air inside the nose, somewhere in the middle of the nose inside. And when you leave the breathe, you can feel that air at the opening of your nose. When you inhale the breathe, the air is slightly cooler than the air that you breathe out. Feel the cooler air when you inhale somewhere in the middle of the nose, inside the middle of your nose, and feel the warmer air when you breathe out at the opening of the nose. Do this for about 10 breaths. Okay, now you can open your eyes and let's start focusing on the lecture. This is the last slide probably, or maybe one more slide is there. The idea of this observing your thoughts and observing your breathe is that your mind will be relaxed. One thing is that many times, very often or most often, कल हमको विचार मत आयल कि there is some reaction in our body, either positive or negative. If it is positive, it's fine, but if it is negative, then the stress level, stress reaction starts happening in the body. Secondly, observe your breathe. If I tell you not to think, stop your thoughts. Ashmanari, it's not easy. If I tell you not to think about a monkey, you will think about a monkey. So I'm telling you to watch your breathe. There is a typical quality of a mind that it cannot think of two things at a time. If I ask you to observe your breathe and follow the breathe, cold air in the middle of the nose and warm air at the opening, then all your thoughts are on the breathe. आणि तुम अशी सगळे चिंता स्ट्रेस सगळे विचार आणि सगळे they automatically they are forgotten for some time. But then longer you do it, every day if you do it, then it will help you to give rest to your mind. Our mind is never rested because continuously we think. Continuously thoughts येतच असतात. But how to stop these thoughts? By observing your thoughts as a third person objectively and by observing your breath. It is very difficult exercise. आमचे सांगू अगदी easy दिसता जाल्यार you cannot do this longer than 1 minute. I'll tell you. Once you do it about 1 minute, कल्पनी त्या लक्ष आमगेल्या श्वासाचेर वता आणि दुसरो विचार येता तिची. But don't worry. It is normal. Once you are aware that your thoughts are going astray, you bring back your thoughts on the breath. See, human being is a very evolved animal, and the human being alone can not only think, but he can decide what to think. No other animal can decide what to think. We are given that faculty of a power of deciding what to think. So Once I know that I am not thinking about my breathe, then I can decide to think about my breathe. And once I do that, then your mind will get relaxed. हांव सांगेल की बोची कन्फ्युजन जाल्यार मागीर म्हाका विचारात हांव तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करून सांगता. So what did we learn today? In short, synopsis is what is stress. मला कळलं तुमका. Eustress is a good stress, distress is a bad stress. What are the stressors? What are the manageable stressors, non-manageable stressors? How to management of stressors by chanting that serenity prayer, and finally management of distress. So I hope that this was helpful. And if there are any questions, then you can unmute, or the people can unmute themselves and ask. Subhash will moderate the questions, or Rekha can moderate the questions. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently. Thank you, Subhash.
Thanks, Ashok.
And thank you, Rekha. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, Ashok. आता आमगल मीटिंग 38 minutes झाला. So आणि
Okay.
2 मिनिटांनी परत डिस्कनेक्ट जाऊनच्या पावस डिस्कनेक्ट झाल्यार
ना मध्ये तो एक मेसेज आयलेला की कल की तुम अपग्रेड केल्या आणि इट विल कंटिन्यू म्हणून. एनीवे,
if it continues is well and good. If it continues
Yeah.
is well and good, but if it doesn't continue tani, then please go to first session login. म्हणारी रेखान जे पेटेल पडा त्या लॉगिन वचून तुम्ही परत लॉग इन करा ती, so that you can ask your questions and all this. Okay, आता कंटिन्यू झाल्यार let us continue, no problem, but discontinue झाल्या मात्र म्हणून सांगता. Okay, okay, I'm muting everybody now. Person who wants to ask the question should raise, so I'll unmute that person only. Okay,
I think Subhash, you cannot unmute them. They have to unmute themselves.
Subhash, Ashok,
Yeah.
stop your screen sharing.
Okay.
So that everybody can come on screen and they can ask you questions.
Okay.
So Rekha, I have to mute everybody right now first.
Yeah. You mute everybody and people can unmute and ask questions.
Okay, I have muted everybody except for Ashok and myself. And person who want to ask the questions, yes. Ashok, first of all, thank you very much. Session. It was very informative and thank you very much. It was. I have also a few questions.
Hope I have not confused you more than before.
No. You have not put more stress. It is less. Okay. Yeah, let us go for questions. Kona questions simgun jaswat and hath ver karati. Any questions, please? Or your opinion? Questions matra nahi. Tumgal kale opinions aslari. Tumgal kale suggestions aslari.
They can share their experience, and so that I can add that in my next lecture.
Correct. Tumgal sang aslari. Tumgal kale anubhav. Tumgal kale experience. Tumgal kale vichara. To elaborate, we can learn from all your exchange of thoughts. Okay, Rekha kalki nimgu chesa. I'll ask Rekha to ask. Rekha, unmute kari. Yeah.
Ashok, you spoke about the medication that needs to be taken. Supplements rather, not the medication. The supplements that need to be taken. So, Mary, do we have to, can we just buy it off the counter, or should we go to a doctor and then get some specific medicines for ourselves?
No, for the prescription, for the medicine that I prescribed just now, for that you don't need any prescription. They are over-the-counter medicines, OTC म्हणतात ताका, आणि that freely they are available. And these are for the people who are normal, not for deficient, for those who are deficient in this vitamin D, vitamin B12 and calcium. So you can safely start taking calcium 500 milligram, vitamin B12 500 microgram, and vitamin D 60,000 units once in a month.
Yeah.
Once in a month only. Say,
yeah.
If you start taking it on 1st of every month, or today 17th, then on every 17th you repeat that.
Yeah. Okay. One more question is being in Bangalore, we don't get enough sunlight at all. So this once a month 60,000 units or whatever will be sufficient, or we need to take more than that?
No, for that you need to do your serum vitamin D levels.
Okay.
I will put it on the group. Serum
Okay.
vitamin D levels, and you send me the report on my personal number. Then I will advise you how much to take.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thanks.
अशोक तर
Then
परत
if you are doing, wait 1 minute, if you are doing vitamin D levels, you might as well do the vitamin B12 levels. Yeah.
Okay.
अशोक मग त्या ह्याच इन रिलेशन टू दिस ओनली आय वॉन्टेड टू आस्क यू दॅट मेंटेनन्स डोस तू म्हणलं ना मेंटेनन्स
Why?
डोस सो कितल्या कॅल्शियम 500 ग्रॅम्स
500 milligrams.
500 मिलीग्रॅम्स ओके आणि विटामिन बी
Vitamin B12 500 micrograms.
500 मायक्रोग्राम्स अच्छा डेली घेऊ का
होय डेली हे दोन्ही डेली घेऊचे.
आणि कॅल्शियम मात्र वन्स इन अ मंथ
No, no, no. Vitamin D once in a month. Calcium 500 milligram. Calcium carbonate. That is shell cal nala sip cal म्हणून येतं. Shell cal or sip cal.
ओके 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 थँक्स अशोक थँक्स
Welcome.
सुवर्ण तू कल निमगुन जास्त सुवर्ण अनम्यूट करी
वय वय हॅलो अशोक
हा सांग.
हा भोग आमचे जाल तुगेले आमकां मातसो ताजे फायदो जातलो म्हूण दिसता.
I hope so.
थँक्स अ लॉट.
Welcome.
म्हाका एक निमगून दिशिल्लें की हांव आयकलेलें की कॅल्शियम should not be taken for a long time continuously. मध्यान ताची ब्रेक दवरका आणि अगेन इज इट ट्रू?
Yeah, it is
Continuity
true.
must
It is
work
true for
something.
people who are having kidney disease. Kidney stone कोणाक असकी तांणी break घेवंका because
अच्छा.
the most of the stones are calcium element असता. But what I have told you just now is for people who are not suffering from any disease. If you are
Okay.
suffering from blood pressure, kidney disease, diabetes, then this dose will differ. Then you have to see your doctor and he will tell you what to take. So
Okay,
these
and
are
how
for
much?
people who are not suffering from any other disease.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ashok.
Welcome.
Thank you.
ग्रेट आणि कोणाक निमगुन जास्त हा सुरेश अनम्यूट करी अनम्यूट करी सुरेश
Good evening, Ashok.
Good evening.
Presentation was very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
दोन प्रश्न म्हाका निमगूत आसा.
हा.
एक म्हळ्यार सप्लिमेंटा बद्दल all doctor recommend calcium, vitamins, multivitamin, everything. But in the generic stores, you get same supplements at 70-80% discount. Very reasonable cost. So
Why?
shall we go for that or we should not? Or we go for a normal?
You
That's
can
first
surely
question.
go for that. Generic medicines are as good as trade medicines. कंपनीन दिलेले वखद तक नाव तांगेल ते ट्रेड नेम असतं ते दिलेली मी ती ते म्हारग करता ती जाल्यार if you go to a generic store you will get at least 70-80% discount.
Yeah, that's right.
You can
That's
go
right.
ahead, no problem.
Second question is that in calcium, there are two types of calcium available in the market. One is calcium carbonate and one is calcium citrate. I heard that calcium carbonate said that like kidney stone chance third asta. There is citrate that like what is your opinion on this?
Well, calcium citrate is more water soluble and calcium carbonate is less water soluble. So it tends to form stones. But then if you drink enough of water, then excess of calcium can be washed away by the kidney. But if you have a tendency for kidney stones, calcium oxalate stones, if you have suffered from kidney stones in the past, then be careful. Then you have to take the advice of your doctor and then take calcium, probably in a lesser dose, or keep a gap of say 1 month and then again take it for 1 month.
So in that case, calcium citrate is always safer, right?
Yeah, but even that also you can't guarantee that you will not get a stone, because the stonaचे has the chemical
composition.
That composition is made up of calcium main and oxalate.
Okay.
It is not calcium citrate or calcium carbonate. It is calcium oxalate.
Okay.
मग oxalate whether it gets from the calcium, if you get from carbonate or citrate, the oxalate will get bound to the calcium. So whether you take citrate or calcium, it is no issue. So if you have a history of kidney stones, be careful.
Thank you, Suresh.
Can I say something?
Yeah, Chitra,
Yeah.
please.
I found your talk very inspiring, Ashok, because stress management and all the stresses and all that are something which is very, so relevant now. And what came to my mind when you were sharing one of the things about the serenity prayer and all that. And the causes of stress, like you were saying, 100% is loss of a spouse and all. I couldn't help but think of Rekha actually, and I've asked her permission to share this because I find her, the way she has dealt with her experiences, very inspiring. Because not only the loss of a spouse, she also has managed the stress of handling a special child. And one of the things that she told me, which inspires me even now, is that when she told me the day she accepted that her situation is like this, whatever her situation is, she said that this is the way it is. She said, she told me that she was going through this turmoil of managing all this on her own. And then a day when she realized that this is how her life is going to be, and this is how her situation is going to be, and she has to either make the best of it or sit and cry. And that day she said that the change came inside her, and not only her words, we could see that in her attitude. And even now when we talk about a smile, that or you mentioned something about
Laughing.
how laughing, and it's not laughing with a sad heart, not laughing, putting a brave smile or whatever like that. It's a smile of a person who has accepted. And I thought both what you said and the example that I have in front of me, I think it's something to learn, and I'm still trying to do that for myself. And I thought it was very relevant. What you told us was to accept the situation and to grow from it or to learn from it. So really a lovely session today. Thank you.
Thank you. And Chitra is the brand ambassador of today's talk. She can be inspiring to a lot of other people also, because the way she has
Rekha.
dealt with her happenings in the life.
Yeah.
Her husband Arun now hai, Tigal Tagal now, Rekha. He was close to me when he used to stay in Andheri, Tagal Bhayini Nagarkatti, Mrs. Nagarkatti, Usha Nagarkatti. She was my patient, and Arun also used to visit me when my clinic was there in Jambu Darshan. So there is a personal loss to me also. Anek Malari, she has actually lived that life. She has actually lived that prayer of serenity, because she has accepted the things that she could not change, and she has got a courage of changing things, and she has got a wisdom to know that difference also. Very good, Rekha. Very good.
Thank you. I can only say one thing is everything changed for me when I met Swamiji. Okay. I was going through so much of pain and I didn't know how to handle. I thought I was breaking down. And luckily Swamiji came to Chennai. And I took an appointment and I met him. And those words still, ring in my ear whenever I have a tough situation, where Swamiji said that, there is something which you need to go through. You have to go through with a smile in this life. Perhaps, that's something which cannot be avoided. So, took दोन choices to either sit and worry about it, or have self-pity on yourself, or you go ahead with your life. Don't think of what people are going to say. You live your life. Okay, this came from Swamiji, and it kind of just changed my attitude towards life, because I was always thinking, how will I manage Jyotika? How will I manage my mother-in-law? How will I manage my family? And when Swamiji said that, I don't know, something in me just, came alive. And I said, yes, I can do it. And every time I have, whenever there has been a difficult situation and I overcome it, I tell myself that, see, you can do it. This is how I kind of started inspiring myself to overcome from whatever difficulty I have been facing. And I think today I'm in quite a comfortable position. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Chitra.
Great.
Proud of you, Rekha. Proud of you. Thank you. Yeah, आणि कोणाक निमगुण चसबेकले शुभम श्यामलपाची.
Shamalpachi, I want to apologize to you because without taking your permission, I quoted you and told your story that you have. Actually, it was wrong on my part. Without taking permission, I had narrated that.
Okay.
श्यामलपाची अनम्यूट करी. श्यामलपाची अनम्यूट करी. तू बोलून अनम्यूट करी श्यामलपाची. तू बोलून चा.
हॅलो.
हा.
ऐकत असं.
वय.
ना अशोक तंतले हे ना.
हा.
असले हे सगळं मायनर स्ट्रेस आमकां लायफान तू येतच आसता ती.
वय.
आणि थोड्या वेळाने शांत जाता ती ते.
वय.
अनेक म्हाका अशी सजेस्ट अशी दिसले की खंय आमकां मातसो स्ट्रेस जालो. आमी खंय तरी भायर पळोवन तिके निसर्गाचे हांत वचूलारी आमकां एक मनाक शांतत मेळटा, स्ट्रेस वता.
वय. Karla is a good place for that.
पळयली.
Why? Karla is a very good place for that. De-stressing.
Yes. तर आमगे प्रॉब्लेम्स आमकांच इतले सान दिसच्या लागता ती.
Exactly, correct.
So thank you Ashok, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. आणि कोणाक येतले निमगुण चसबा.
Can I talk, please?
Shubhangi.
Can I take?
शुभम उलयतास. वेट. शुभम सांग.
तांची म्हळ्यार आतां रेखान म्हणलें न्ही तिगल लायफान सिच्युएशन अशें आयिल्लें एंड स्वामीजी एडवायज आमी ती शी कूड ओवरकम एंड फेस द सिच्युएशन. सो म्हगल लायफान तूं सिच्युएशन आयिल्ली म्हळ्यार हांव हुबळी आशिल्लें पळय. अशोक, यू रिमेंबर नो, यू हॅड
I had visited you.
मस्त जाण आयिल्ले थंय. म्हाका ते एक एडवांटेज मेळ्ळेलें की हांव हुबळी आशिल्लें त्या वेळी. त्याच वर्स थंय चातुर्मास जाल्ली ती. स्वामीजी आशिल्ले आनी मस्त मगल गुर्ताची मस्त जाण आयिल्लीं आनी सुमार जाण मगल घार येवन राबतालीं. त्यामुळे हांव एकली आशिल्लें त्या वेळ थंय. त्या एक म्हाका म्हळ्यार Hubli is quite far from Bangalore and I could come home only once in a month. And ta magal challi, she was in 11th class, first PUC, ma hang Bangalore म्हणतात तशी. आणि मला मायंगल मस्त एज जाल्लेला आहे. घार तांकां मस्त डिफिकल्टी आशिल्ली मॅनेज करूक. And after my service of 3 years in Hubli, I was so sure that I'll come back to Bangalore, but it so happened that I was transferred to Gulbarga.
Oh.
Okay, it was still far. And that place was unknown for me. कोणे relatives नाती, कोणे friends नाती. And थंय वचना फुडें first month म्हाका इतलें थंय डिप्रेशन आयिल्लें. आनी म्हाका अशी रडणें येतालें, म्हाका घार वचका म्हूण दिसतालें. जाल्यार एज रेखा सेड, हांव अशी थिंक केलें की हांव रडतो बसल्यार ह्या सिच्युएशन कांय चेंज जावचें ना. बिकॉज आमकां ते कंपल्सरी 2 years मगल थंय करचेच आशिल्लें. ओके, आमगल सर्वीस रेग्युलेशना प्रमाणे. सो हांव अशी विचार केलो की हांव रडतो बसचे पशी आय वील युटिलायज फॉर सम स्पिरिच्युअल एक्टिविटीज. म्हळ्यार apart from my service or regular job, हांव ते गुरुचरित्र आनी आमगल चित्रापूर परंपरेचे चरित्र अशी वाचूंक सुरू केलो थंय आसतना. हांव म्हळें की हांव हें अशी यूज करता आनी ते स्पिरिच्युअल हाजे ती मगल मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ इतलें वाडतो गेलें न्ही की I could easily complete my 2 years of service and come back happily to Bangalore. Shima, stress can be overcome with spiritual help.
Very good, Shubham. Thank you
Thank you,
very
Ashok.
much for sharing. Yeah.
झालं म्हाका
परत हांव आनीक पाटी सांगता, हें समजा सेशन आतां 57 मिनिट्स जाल्यां ती बंद जाल्यार वी हॅव टू लॉग इन फर्स्ट सेशन लॉग इन करून मात्र आमकां येवंक जातलें. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दॅट. या आनीक कसले क्वेश्चन्स आसात वा? Or we can close it.
Can I take one thing?
Ashwin.
Subhash?
Yeah, Ashwin, yes. Yeah, Ashwin, please.
Dr. Ma'am, thanks a lot for a beautiful session.
विभांगी म्यूट करी.
Hello.
ऐकतोय? ठीक आहे. इको येत असेल. सांग.
ऐकतोय?
वय.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Ma'am. It was such a wonderful session from your side.
Thank you.
From the medical point of view, things I would like to just add. One is adrenaline to already mhala hai. The other one was cortical and catecholamines. Now these three things are very important during stress. I am talking of the non-medical, very simple strategy which is used worldwide, which, sorry, I do not want to demean, but doctors generally do not tell you upfront, but a very simple strategy for stress is eating chocolate. Dark chocolate is the simplest, fastest remedy for stress busters. Normally chocolates khatati, dark chocolate is normally preferred. Now again, this is for normal people.
Exactly.
Our diabetes, our
Barabar.
And a very, very simple strategy. When your stress goes very high, take chocolates. That's why it's not now. It has been documented. It is very well evidenced across all experimental medical journals. Chocolate is the best therapy for stress. I do not know, Dr. Ma'am, you would have. You have any?
I agree to you completely. I had not mentioned it because it is like alcohol. One can get addicted to chocolates like alcohol.
No. I mean, see, it is just for that moment of stress. That's why chocolates are also given not only during stress, but when you love someone, you give a chocolate. I mean, it's a feeling of joy. It's feeling of it has a lot of emotions behind it. So don't fall for eating chocolates beyond your limits. But that moment, koni chocolate khailari, stress levels immediately kami jatat. And it's a very simple thing. I mean, don't put a peppermint. I'm talking of probably a milk chocolate, but better is a dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate, correct. You are
Malta,
right.
Malta. Just pop it off, your stress goes.
Yeah. And when you love somebody, it is stressful, no? You give him chocolate.
Sorry?
Okay.
Love is stressful.
Thanks, Ashwin. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, Vidya, तू कल के निमगुंज unmute yourself, Vidya.
ना निमगुंज ना फक्त सांगचें अशोक दादा हाय सेशन was really nice आणि तू आमकां त्या रिलॅक्सेशन सेशन घेतला इवन दॅट वॉज रियली गुड. आणि म्हाका एक सांगचें आमी सानपण धोन केन्ना अशोक दादाक सानपण धोन पळयल्या हिज पर्सोना हॅज बीन द सेम ऑल दीज इयर्स. हांव केन्नाय अशोक दादाक अशी शांत उलयतना पळयल्या आणि अशी शांत आम सगळ्यांक करतना पळयल्या. सो वी कॅन एक्चुअली फॉलो यू अशोक दादा.
Oh, don't bother. It is a put on act. मगल बाई लेग विचारता. It is stressful.
पद्मिनी पाचीक विचारता.
Why?
ना जोक्स अपार्ट बट खरेची मैं तू केन्नाय पळयला न्ही मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आय मीन वेन एवर वी हॅव हॅड इंटरॅक्शन्स तू अशी उलयतना आणि ऑलवेज यू कम अक्रॉस एज अ काम पर्सन तश हू कॅन एक्चुअली. सो गॉड ब्लेस यू आणि खरे गोमटे आशिल्ले सेशन वी कॅन.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you for the compliment. Good. आणि कोणाक निमगुंज आसवे कले? Okay, Eknath, yes. Unmute yourself, Eknath. अनम्यूट करून निमगी.
Hello. Hi,
Hello.
Ashok. It was
Thanks.
an excellent session. Very
Thank you. Thank
knowledgeable.
you. Very good. Thank you.
अच्छा, तू एक सांगशील तू म्हणताल की these dogs or animals don't have diabetes. That is not
Why,
true.
why?
I've seen dogs. They do have diabetes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes, especially those foreign breed one. They also have diabetes and also blood pressure.
Dogs
It is
probably
not-
have because they are more evolved than other animals. They are closer to human beings. They are domesticized and they may be able to think and maybe closer to the human thinking, and that is why they can be trained like human beings. So maybe they are having diabetes and I'm not aware of it. Thank you, Eknath Mam.
Yes, they have.
Yeah.
They have.
Thanks Hiku. अच्छा.
Thank you. And
आणि
one more thing.
हा.
Sang.
Hello, one more thing I
sang,
wanted
sang.
to ask you.
There
is one tablet which I used to take. It's called Carol 60K. Calcium.
No,
I
it
used
is
to take
it is vitamin D. It is vitamin D. It is vitamin D.
But that is not available in the market now. Any alternate?
I will put on the group. I will
Okay,
put on the group what medicine to take.
Yeah. Because I used to take once a month, and during this lockdown, it just disappeared from the market.
If you go to any chemist shop and tell him vitamin D 60K, then he will give you whatever is available. But I will put the prescription on the group.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Ashok, I think that is a very nice, because a lot of people have asked me also that maintenance dose. So if you can put it on our
I will
GP
do
Health, that a normal person without any
Without any
ailments
ailments,
should take what doses. Yeah. It will be beneficial to all of us.
एक मिनिट.
Anybody else wants?
अशोक एक मिनिट.
हाँ सुवर्णा.
Just I want to clear की कॅल्शियम खाली पोटार घेऊन का की जेवणापड घेऊन का?
all the medicines. See, supplements you can take after food also or before food also. Just before food. Hava आणि पद्मिनी घेतात ते just before breakfast. Because it gets absorbed better. You don't keep a gap too longer than 15 minutes. नाला ते पटकन irritation सुरू होतं, वळून येतं. The B complex, we take vitamin, calcium, आणि just before breakfast or after food, and take it in the morning only.
Okay, thank you.
That is best.
Okay, thank you.
Ashok.
Yeah.
Ashok, there is a tablet called Zincovit, which I believe has zinc and all the vitamins. त्या multivitamin tablet घेतल्या परत B12 आणि घेऊन का म्हणू असं?
You just see how much vitamin B12 is there. If it is 500 microgram or more, because all these multivitamins have not too much of B12. They have about 5 micrograms or 10 micrograms or something like that. But 5 micrograms such 500 mar you have to take 10 tablets. Or sorry, 50 tablets or 100 tablets. Make it 500. But if you have been taking Zincovit all the while, right from very beginning, then probably you will not be deficient in vitamin B.
No, not all the while. After this corona started, somebody said that this is a good supplement to take as a maintenance, Mary, to avoid any saitya khanki. So we have been taking it for the past 6 months.
Just check your vitamin B12 levels.
Okay. Fine.
All of you can check your vitamin B12 levels and vitamin D levels, and then put your on my personal number. I will give you the personal advice.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, I think most of us have finished questions, and any Kaltangala Slary. I'll say thanks to Ashok on behalf of all of you and behalf of GP Health, behalf of all the members present here. Ashok, thank you very much. God bless you. भोग आमच्याला इन्फॉर्मेटिव्ह आणि अशीच आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन दिता राब whenever you have time, anyway, on the group, whatever it is. And thank you very much. God bless you. Namaste. आम्ही हा सेशन बंद करता ती. Bye bye.
Okay.
Take care. Stay safe.
Bye,
Thanks,
everybody.
Bye-bye.
Rekha, for the
Bye,
fantastic.
everybody.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Rekha.
Ashok
Thanks,
Dada.
Subhash and Rekha
Thanks,
both.
Soumya.
Yeah, Subhash.
God bless.
Your presentation can we share in the group?
Yeah, I have shared it to Subhash and Rekha. They can share it. No problem.
Yeah, we'll put it on the group. कोणा जाऊन का असल्यार we can mail them.
Bye.
Thank you, Rekha. Thank you,
Yeah.
Subhash.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Yeah, आणि आम्ही recording केला, so we'll send the recording also of this
Yeah.
program.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Subhash.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Rekha.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
God bless.
Thanks. Bye.